Dear students, today we study if any kind of equation in quadratic form is given to us, how we do the factorization. We discuss exercise 1.1, question number 2, part number 1. The given equation is x square minus x minus 20 equals to 0. We take its solution. First, we see that is it in standard form or not. For standard form, we see that x square we have, x we have, constant we have equals to 0. So this is our standard quadratic form. Now we write the answer given, that is x square minus x minus 20 equals to 0. For factorization, we multiply the first term by the last term. So it gives me minus 20 x square. And the middle term is minus x. I keep it in the rectangle brackets. Let me make the factors of 20. As we know that 1 multiplied 20, it gives me 20. 2 multiplied 10, it gives me 20. 4 multiplied 5, it gives me 20 as well. Now from these factors, we check that which two factors give me this middle value minus 1, yani minus x. So I saw that this 4 and 5, when they solve with each other, they give me minus 1. So I want minus 1. So 5 is the big integer. I put minus sign. On 4 I put plus. So it gave me plus 4 minus 5 equals to minus 1. Even when we multiply these two numbers, 4 5s are 20, it gives me minus 20 as well. 4 5s are 20, minus 20 I also got, plus 4 minus 5 minus x I also got. So I just put the x with these two numbers. So it gave me x square plus 4x minus 5x minus 20 equals to 0. Now from first two I take it common, x plus 4 minus 5 x, when we take minus common, sign will be changed. So plus 5 4s are 20, so equals to 0. These two bracket values shows that my factors are perfect, so I take them common first, x plus 4, and the second one is x minus 5. X minus 5 equals to 0. Both factors equals to 0, so x plus 4 equals to 0, x minus 5 equals to 0, x is equals to minus 4, x is equals to 5. Therefore solution set is minus 4 comma 5. So I use the curly brackets to represent the solution set. This is the procedure to find the factorization. By multiplying the first term with the last, we got minus 20x square. So the middle term you take and make the rectangular box on it. Made the factors of 20 which are possible. 1 into 20 give me 20, 2 tens are 20, 4 5s are 20. So from these three factors I choose those two from where I got minus 1, means minus x. So 4 and 5, they'd give me 1. So I on the 4 I put plus, on 5 put minus. So plus 4 minus 5, they give me minus 1 and also minus 20. So both values I got. So just put the x with these two terms. X squared plus 4x minus 5x minus 20 equals to 0, and further we solve to got the solution set. Thanks for watching.